Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here. If this is your first time with us, welcome to the show.
In this podcast, we help you learn English by listening to easy, natural conversations.
We speak slowly and clearly, use simple English, and include lots of useful words and phrases.
Today's adventure is one we all do often: shopping for clothes.
We'll talk about what to say when you go shopping, how to ask for sizes, prices, and colors, and of course, try on clothes. So, where are we?
We're in a big shopping mall. There are many stores: clothing stores, shoe stores, and accessory shops.
Perfect. I need some new clothes for the weekend.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
What color would you like?
Blue or gray, maybe?
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there, next to the mirror.
After trying, it fits well. How much is it?
It's $15.
Great. I'll take it.
Let's go over some useful words and phrases you heard. I'm looking for equals I want to find. What size do you wear? Equals small, medium, or large. Would you like to try it on? Equals do you want to see if it fits? Where's the fitting room? Equals the place to try on clothes. It fits well. Equals the size is good. How much is it? Equals asking the price. I'll take it. Equals I want to buy it.
More vocabulary. T-shirt, shirt, pants or trousers, jeans, jacket, coat, dress, shoes or sneakers, belt, socks.
Here are some common questions you can ask when shopping. Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? Is it on sale? Where's the mirror? Can I pay with a credit card? Do you have any discounts today?
And some common answers. Yes, we do. Sorry, we only have small. It's on sale, 20% off. The fitting room is over there. You can pay by card or cash. Hi, I'm looking for jeans.
Sure. What size are you?
I'm a size 32.
Here are some jeans in size 32. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there, behind the curtain.
After trying, they're too long. Do you have a shorter size?
Let me check. Yes, we have this in a shorter length.
Perfect. I'll take them. How much are they?
They're $25, but today they're 10% off.
Nice. I'll pay by card.
Now it's your turn, friends. Answer these questions out loud. What is your favorite clothing store? What size do you wear? What colors do you like to wear? What do you usually buy when you go shopping? Do you like shopping for clothes?
And try these speaking exercises. I'm looking for a shirt. Do you have this in medium? Can I try these pants on? How much is this dress? I'll take it.
Practice speaking slowly and clearly. You can even write your answers in the comments.
Hey Emma, do you follow fashion trends?
Not really. I like clothes that are comfortable and simple. I wear a lot of neutral colors, like black, white, and beige.
That's true. You always look relaxed and classy. I sometimes try new styles, like colorful shirts or different shoes, but not too crazy.
I remember you wore a bright yellow jacket last winter.
Yes, I thought it looked cool, but people said I looked like a banana.
That's funny, but I liked it. It was bold and cheerful. Let's teach our friends some style and opinion vocabulary. You can say, I like casual clothes. This is comfortable. I prefer simple designs. I like bright colors. This is too expensive for me. That shirt looks good on you. I love your style. This doesn't fit me well. These jeans are too tight. It's a bit loose.
And some adjectives for style. Casual, formal, trendy, simple, classic, modern, baggy, too loose, tight, too small, colorful, stylish.
After shopping, I always like to go for a coffee or a snack. Shopping makes me hungry.
Me too. Let's pretend we go to a cafe.
Okay, we sit down and look at the menu. I say, I'll have an iced coffee and a muffin.
And I say, I'll have a latte and a croissant, please. It feels good to sit down after walking so much.
Definitely. And it's a great time to talk about what we bought.
You can say, I bought a new shirt today. I got some new jeans. I found a nice dress on sale. This jacket was only $30. I didn't buy anything, just looked around. I want to return this. It doesn't fit.
These are useful when you want to share your shopping experience. Friends, if you travel or live in another country, shopping is a great way to practice English.
Yes, it's real-life English, and you don't need perfect grammar. Just smile, be polite, and try.
You can even write a little script and practice it before you go shopping. That helps a lot.
Great idea. And remember, every time you speak English, you get better.
Okay, now, we really have to go, but thank you for joining us today.
We had so much fun shopping with you, and we hope you learned something new.
If you liked this episode, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment.
Tell us, what's your favorite thing to wear? Or what do you say when you go shopping in English?
Keep listening, keep learning, and keep smiling. You're doing great.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.